Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Wadai Yakatan Jumokai Perthei Uba Polling Do Hene Kasngi Habakran Bakinong Tho Kubor Ulayathu Baka Sorkar Jilla Kansaya Soishen Yaka Memorandum of Understanding Bat ke Jilla Assam Habayadei Bat Uput Usam Yakani Kinsale Hakat Santrik Ubanai Nailar Bat Santali Kishnong Hakitan Riboy Region Kinsawan Pai Biang Shaka Jilla Uba polling do ulapan pau bakini kisan tili kisnong kidei kibahap apo ka Riboy district kani kandei ka way pat ka jam baka sorkar kan le banpun peti upo usam jong ka jilla kabalasa kongreng klemle AA hakini kisnem baladep habay dei baka than langpi kaba ulong kum chairman ka region committee uba polling do ulong baki kam kilayat shat bat kabasa manta kadei satang banlet jurep yakijaka hapadeng ka jilla Meghalaya ba jilla Assam Habay day bat kajing ong baka sorkar jilla kali atang kandiat Halor kajing ja halapangap na kalyang uapol uloong baka sorkar kalapha ada kikenhun pulit bat umajestor banlet khanglat ya kajing wan turki briu na kajilla Assam kamlong kabadei ban ong baka sorkar kali atang kandiat.
We would not have sent a police team. We would not have sent a magistrate to actually confront their counterparts from Assam. So it's unfair to say that government has done little. In fact, I will remind you that before August 15, we will formally sign an MOU with the Assam government, whereby 5 new villages will come back to be part of the territory of Meghalaya.
Which are the 5?
I don't remember the names right now.
Which areas?
This is in the mostly in the Riboy sector. Yeah.
And it is we have seen time and again this kind of problems keeps on happening in Langpe, Mukho, and this time every time it keeps on happening. What can be the solution as of now?
See, out of the 12 areas of differences, now 5 have been resolved. Langpi, we're close to actually finding the final solution. It's just the joint inspection that needs to be undertaken once. And Jainti Hills, we are fairly close to clinching final solution. So we are moving far ahead compared to the many years where Meghalaya's territories have only been encroached without any resistance.
So
Okay.
when is your regional committee going to submit its report on
We,
Langpi sector?
Langpi, there is just a site inspection that needs to be undertaken. I'm yet to get the final confirmation from the my counterpart, the chairman, Mr. Patuari, who heads the Langpi sector committee for Assam. Once I get a word from him, we will undertake a joint inspection and visit Langpi.
You
Okay.
said in the month of August that 5 villages.
Yes. Before August 15. It'll be announced on August 15, in fact, the Independence Day address.